Is it worth opening a full display of mini tins? That is the question I'm here to answer today. What's up, everybody? I'm Good Power. Today we're opening a full... Oops, God, knocking over cards. Give me a second. Alrighty, fixing the problem. We're opening a full display of the Vibrant Paldea mini tin. Really quickly, let me get into this Stellar Miracle booster pack. Love this set so far. Have opened it before on the channel. We have a Fan Rotom, Grubbin, Rhyhorn, Alcremie, and just nothing. Wanted to blast past that so we can get into this. Let me get this open as quick as humanly possible. This is the display you would see in a Walmart or a local card shop with 10 mini tins. So we're talking about in total 20 packs today. Pop this sucker out and display it like anybody else would. And this is how you'd see it. We're just gonna go 10 per 10. So I'm just gonna open up one at a time. We're gonna see what packs come in each of them. That not. Oh. It's gonna be loud, but try the best I can with this. Alright. First 10. It comes with that and then the sticker form. So we have Paradox Rift and Obsidian Flames. Come on. Good God, they shove them in so much you can't get them open. Actually, let me take the tins out of the thing. Okay, now I have a little bit more room. We're gonna start with... No, let's just go the way the tin has it. 20 packs in total today. We're going to do the best I can to try my hardest. One for the front. We have a Grass Energy, Vanillish, Onyx, Tinkatank, Chartot, Absol, Simisage, Norman, our first versus a Tinkatuff, we have a Nimble, and we do start out with an art that I can't speak today, but we do start out with a air. God, why can't I speak? I guess I just can't speak today for some reason. Got tongue tied. Why is the focus not? Okay, there's focus. Let's see if we can hit another EX or something better. I want to see if it's worth opening these and what pull ratios you get. Crabominable, Oddish, and we just have a Toxtricity. So first 10, not bad. We're gonna try to go as fast as I can. Okay. Going with the same 10 again. Just try to fly through these as fast as I can. Start with Paradox, yeah, Paradox Rift again. Not trying to make us sit here forever while I open up these, so I just want to, you know, do my best that I can. Really hopeful to actually hit something good. I would think there'd be one decent out of the Zebstrika, Doublade, and just an H/Hollow, so nothing great out of that one so far. Or is it going to be random and you're not guaranteed anything for the price? I did spend about like 62 on this, so not actually bad because that's less than $10 a 10, and that's what they would retail anyway. So we're getting them cheaper and less than what they should be at your local Walmart or your game store. Fine, sweet. Barboach, and just a Claydol. So far, this is the Palfin one, yeah. So far, not worth it. It's looking like. Come on. Same stuff as the other ones. How many tins are we in? 3. Please do take only one code card at least. I would appreciate something for everybody. Partial Lady, Oregon 2, Crobat, Roke, Sistini, Gibble, Viminen, and we just have an Esparta. That was the worst pronunciation of that Pokemon I have ever done. But at least I attempted it. Alright, okay. Code card I've wanted to focus. All I see is another hollow in the back, which that means we might have just had another dud. Winkaletta, Letter of Encouragement, Chandelure, we have a Blitzel. Okay, we have a Pidgeot EX Special Illustration Rare. Well, I don't know if that proves me wrong that these aren't good. Aerodactyl. Maybe there is one good hit in every single. We'll figure that out later. Because I do have another display of mini tins. It's the other cheapest one. The yellow ones. So we've seen these. Can we hit a good hit out of Paradox Rift? Because I would like a Roaring Moon. I don't think we're going to hit 2 special illustration rares. I'm sorry to say that. Now that I think about it, that's probably not possible, but these are kind of random. Zebstrika, Luxury Cape, Fleety. I'll have a Morpeko illustration rare and just a Milotic. Not a bad one. We'll just put that with the EX. So far, I'm not, like, mad at the pulls. Granted, we still have 6 tins left after this, so maybe I will be after this. Not this pack, but after opening it when we get no completely money back. Cryogonal, and we just have a Palfin, fitting for the Palfin one. Now I move on to a new one. I also want to make sure that y'all know that I am actually opening up these and that I am physically, I guess, opening them and they're not weighed, I guess, reopened. I never do that anyway. But if you have made it this far in the video, please subscribe to the channel. We're on a road to 1,000, and I would love to see some more new subscribers to the channel, because it would be amazing to hit 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year. Yawn Mask, Wiglet, and we have a full art Larry. So we've hit 2 full arts, 1 special illustration rare, and 1 full art Larry. Maybe this is worth the actual money. I've always wanted to open up one of these to begin with. I've always seen them in Walmart and in Targets and places like that and thought I would love to one day open this. So this is fulfilling a dream of mine to open up a full display tin, a full display case of Pokemon. Dratini, Tadbulb, and we end off with a Skull Villain. Alrighty, now we have the DOS Bun. Alright. 4 hits in total so far, not bad. I will show these off for 5 seconds. And here's that. If you do hear some shifting, that's my... God, okay. Alright, let's start with the Paradox Rift one now. Come on. I don't know why these feel like they're thinner than normal. I guess it doesn't matter if you see the code card or not. Not the code card, the energy card. It's Snorunt, Hornage, Horsey, Joltik, Toadscruel, Screaming Tail, Tactical Machine De-Evolution, Carcor, Magby, and I forget Tapu Koko even had an EX. Well, can't escape that one. I mean, Tapu Koko's had so many cards since the Sun and Moon era. With GXs, Tapu Koko V. I'm pretty sure there was like a shiny Tapu Koko somewhere. And a special box, if I remember correctly. So that Pokemon has had so many. When are we not going to see that reprinted? We have an Inkay. We have an Adini. And we have a Toadscruel EX. So that was actually a really good one. 2 hits in total. Not 2 good hits, but 2 hits in general. Let's see. Do that. There's a lot of 10s. I mean, y'all have already seen this, but might as well show it off again. No crazy hit out of Paradox Rift so far. Man, I'm still really wanting that Roaring Moon special illustration rare. I'm not gonna buy it. I would love to pull it on the channel if I can. Toadscruel, Screaming Tail, Velza, Flitty, and we just have a Zacian, Hollow. Honestly, I hate the fact it's what's it called? Obsidian Flames in this. I mean, yes, so far our best hits have come out of Obsidian Flames with the, what was it? The Pidgey. Yeah, the special illustration of Pidgey. So that is our best hit so far. Oinkaleta, Letter of Encouragement, Poniard, and we have a Gita. 3 10s left. Now we actually get into a new one I've not seen. The Leafeon and whatever this is, the Leafeon and Olive Pokemon. Smoliv. Come on. There you go to see that. I don't need to hit the camera. Alrighty. Don't know. Hold on a second. That's better. Don't know if we've gotten to the final point where we're not going to hit anything. Okay. That was weird. Sorry for not saying anything for a second, but that genuinely confused me why I wasn't opening. We have a Fire Energy, Zubat, Natu, Purloin, Monfoon, Medical Energy, Iron Bundle, Gliscor, Aegislash, Tinkaton, and Full Art Garchomp EX. This might be the most actual hits, full art and above hits I've gotten in a video, maybe ever. Now can I just hit a, I guess the only thing I would need, because we've managed to hit a full art Pokemon, a full art trainer, 2 EXs, and a illustration rare. No, 3 EXs actually, and an illustration rare. How do you say that? Why can't I remember how to pronounce that? Armarouge, Scovet, and we have just a Darkrai Pokemon, Hollow. Alright. My recording station's a mess. Okay, there is focus. I don't even want to ask for anything else, but can we get one more, like, spectacular hit? Because it seems like every other 10 has something good in it. Cursed Duster, Orbeetle, Pansage, Kartot, and we just have a Palkia. Honestly, we managed to hit nothing else. I'm not mad. See, that feels normal. Two packs left after this. One more, actually 10. And then I will go through the actual hits that we got, the best of the best. So stay tuned for that. Masquerain, Gumshoes, Inke, Poniard, and just a Gita Hall. I keep wanting to say non-hall for some reason. Come on, where's the... That was loud. Crap. Alrighty. I guess because it wants to not work correctly. Starting again. Oh, we're always going to be doing Paradox Rift. Whoosh. This has been fun to open. I'm enjoying this a lot more than I expected to, just because it's something different I don't get to do, is open a full display of anything. I mean, I've opened up booster packs, I've opened up a lot of interesting packs, but never one of these. Bonsweet, Honedge, and Espathra. That's probably the best attempt I'm ever going to get. And last but not least, the final pack of today's video. Just want to say thank you for everybody who watches my channel, who watches the videos. Wouldn't be here opening up stuff like this if I didn't have people to watch it. So I just want to say thank you. And this last pull is dedicated to everybody. Holy Jesus Christ, okay, well, that's a good pull to dedicate, and it can at least be a double banger. Artisan Gold card and Vespa Queen EX. God, that's everything I needed. Well, let's go through the best pulls. We have a Pidgeot Special Illustration, a Larry 4, a Full Art Garchomp, and a Artisan Gold card. That's going to be it. If you do want to see amazing pulls like that again, hit the subscribe button. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!